The Vitamin C silicone case from Apple. It's $39 at the Apple Store and is available for iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. I'm using it with my 11 Pro. Side note, Apple makes matching sport bands like this here that was in my last review. I hope this helps. If it does, please give it a like and subscribe for more. Let's peel this orange. The silicone material is like a smooth rubber. It's really premium. I like how the color reminds me of sherbet. It has a slight grip that I could tell might be a preference for some people, but it has more grip than Apple's leather case. I feel like the grip gets better over time. It has a hole for the silent switch, and the buttons are the same material, just slightly darker for visibility. The microfiber liner here protects your iPhone's surface, and the Apple logo is slightly darker to make it distinguishable. Out of all the cases I've tried, Apple's cases are just the easiest to attach. It's as simple as sliding and pressing down. It's a perfect fit, airtight, snug over the iPhone and all of its buttons. The material is thick enough so it gives it a lip to protect the camera, and it lays flat so it doesn't wobble laying down on its back. It also has a high lip in front to protect your screen from face-down falls. This is good compared to third-party cases and imitations. It's not too thin, so it can handle most body level falls. It's not too thick, so it doesn't sacrifice appearance. Apple never covers the bottom. It's attractive, but I scuffed my iPhone 10 years ago because of it. But it was still just that one time years ago. Still worth it, so I can appreciate the stainless steel design daily. It does catch a bit of dust, especially if the surface has a heavy amount of it. Then it's easy to clean. Just use cloth to dust it off, or add water and even soap depending on how much you dirty it, and it comes right off. I honestly just wipe it on the clothes I'm wearing and it does the job. It works well with wireless charging and is easy to find because it's bright. I do love attractive, happy colors like this. It's a bright, vibrant color to switch to. It's not an everyday color for me though. I'd probably just use it once in a while. Some people like the grip, but keep in mind it takes more effort to slide into pockets compared to leather cases that slide effortlessly. What you'll probably be doing a lot with your phone is consuming media, like videos, photos, and scrolling through an app. The bright color's slightly distracting, but you eventually get used to it. But then you go back to noticing it. If it's a deal breaker, I recommend trying the darker cases like black or midnight blue, or the neutral like white or brown. Wallpapers are my favorite things to match with it. It just adds to the experience. There are some options in the wallpaper settings. This one came with 11 Pro and is my favorite out of all of them. Or just download from the internet. You could even turn any of your photos into wallpaper. If you like matching your cases, I know it looks really good with earth tones like brown, green, beige, and neutrals like black, white, gray, navy. Most interfaces are either light or dark, and it still stands out with both. I like it with light backgrounds the most because it matches more, but sometimes I like the contrast of black backgrounds on dark mode. So in conclusion, I like it, but I'll only wear it once in a while. It's a happy color, easy to clean, but I think it's a preference of color from here, or if it matches your mood. I hope this helped out. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Check out the matching sport band in the link above. Thanks for watching.